Here is a question. It is a question of chapter number 3, atoms and molecules, class 9th. So the question is, hydrogen and oxygen combine in the ratio of 1:8 by mass to form the water. Okay, what mass of oxygen gas would be required to react completely with the 3 gram of hydrogen gas? Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so first we need to understand what is the meaning of this question. So here in the question it is given that water. Okay, so we know that water having formula H2O. Okay, so actually according to the law of constant proportion, all the elements they are present in a compound, they always present in a definite proportion by mass. Okay, so in the case of water, so we need to understand that means 2 atoms of a hydrogen reacts with 1 atom of oxygen element. Okay, so 2 atoms of hydrogen completely reacts with the 1 atom of oxygen. Okay, so that is what the meaning of the law of constant proportion, and in the case of water here. Okay, so that means if 2 hydrogen atoms are completely reacts with the 1 atom of oxygen, that means 2 unit mass, okay, are in the ratio of means hydrogen and oxygen. So 2 unit mass and 16 unit mass here. Okay, because according to the law of constant proportion, all the elements are present in a definite proportion in a compound by mass. Okay, so here 1 hydrogen atom having a 1 unit mass, because there are 2 hydrogens, so that means here mass is 2 unit. Okay, 1 hydrogen atom having a 1 unit mass, so there are 2 hydrogens, so that means the total mass is 2 unit. Okay, now because they are present in the ratio here, so that is why the 2 dots ratio sign here. Okay, so 1 oxygen atom is there, so 1 oxygen atom having mass 16 unit. Okay, so all the elements are present in a definite proportion. Okay, so now when you cut, so that means 1:8 here, so that's why they have written here 1:8 by mass. Okay, now we have to find what mass of oxygen gas would be required to react completely with the 3 gram of a hydrogen gas. Okay, so that means the mass of a hydrogen is given, but we have to find mass of oxygen gas. Okay, so from here we easily understand, if 1 gram of a hydrogen is there, then it reacts with the it reacts with the 8 gram. Okay, it reacts with the 8 gram of oxygen gas. Okay, so that means if a 2 gram is there, then it reacts with the 16 gram. If a 3 gram of a hydrogen is given, then it reacts with the 24 gram of oxygen gas. Okay, so that is what we have to find here. Okay, so that means here 3 gram of a hydrogen is there. Okay, so we have to find mass of oxygen gas. Okay, so in this way we can easily find, see, 1 gram of a hydrogen reacts with the 8 gram of oxygen gas. If a 2 gram is there, then 16 gram. If a 3 gram is there, then 24 gram. Okay, similarly we can find if a 4 gram of a hydrogen is there, then we can easily find that is a 32. Okay, means we can simply multiply here. Okay, so if 1 gram is there, then it reacts with the 8 gram. So that means if a 3 gram is there, then simply multiply 3 into 8, then you will get 24 gram answer. Okay, so 24 gram oxygen gas is required to react with the 3 gram of hydrogen gas. Thank you.